Hello guys, I'm gonna go back home. Just came out from the parking and let's go home. Well, actually guys, this is my daily road which after work I'm taking this highway. Actually people call this one in here in Romania it called Centura de Bucharest. uh, Centura means basically this is belt like that. So in the around the Bucharest, if you know, it has 6 sectors. Like it is divided into 6 sectors. So around these sectors of the Bucharest, this road goes. So it's like one round in the old town, which I actually used to work for about 1 year here, and but I didn't even take. I used to walk just behind this area every day, but I never took any videos or anything. I'm just taking some videos actually. Actually, this area is like peakest of Bucharest in the old town area, and as you can see from there, that old bank building. I just start to walk with my girlfriend, and as you can see that this bank building, it really stunning. You know, these are old architectures, and they are really beautiful. Okay guys, actually this is a it's a French fries vending machine just in the middle of the street that you can buy. It's like 10 lei of a small pack of French fries from here. It's very easy to operate. Like you can just pay with your card. If you pay by cash, you will not get erased, so you have to put the exact amount. You have. And well, this is a museum of Romania. That it's not only just one museum. There are many museums here. It's one of the museum in. Unfortunately, we can't enter because now it's under some construction or something. But it's really amazing historical architectures surrounding this area actually. Lots of people come to take pictures. Even I see when I was used to walk from this street all the time last time when I was working here, and lots of couples comes and taking pictures here. I decided anyways to just to walk in these streets. All of them here actually mostly food culture. I mean restaurants. It's surrounded with restaurants, all the area in here, as well as old buildings actually. I was just walking with my girlfriend. As you can see, this is Big Ben pub, which is pretty famous, and it's one of the oldest restaurant in Bucharest, Old Town area. And this is really, that's why in this particular area, the Bucharest in the Old Town, it's like people call here like Little Paris. The way of the buildings and also the streets inside, it's pretty nice and unique, and you know, it's really beautiful. during this walking, actually, what I was find out that something I did not see before few years ago. Like there are many new restaurants have built up. Like there were no like Mexican or Asian type of restaurants around here. But now I see there is Greek restaurants, Mexican restaurants, and one of the Filipino restaurant. Because back in time, like when I was new here, it was very less population from Asia and less population from other countries. But now there are lots of Africans, lots of Asians, lots of different other countries of European Union. They came here and they started business, and it's really like a mix. Now it's becoming like a mix area, like mixed culture, and it's really amazing. This particular area, it's really nice. It's like a dome like that, dome like a. It's really nice inside here. It's covered, and you have some pretty high class restaurants in here, and the food is amazing, and everything looking so good inside this dome, because it's little bit away from it's not away actually, you just need to walk there, and from outside you can't really see there is lots of restaurant inside here, but it's pretty nice in go inside there. And as you can see, this is streets actually, those are really like iconic, and they are very historical, and those are made before 1990. I mean 19, not 90s actually, it's in 18s.
Hi.
Okay.
Well, after walking through the old town, actually, we just came nearby my home. Actually, there's really nice park, which is also in the Bucharest. It's only this area have this breathtaking view. Actually, like we are so privileged that we have this park, which is really amazing in the evening. Life in Romania, it's actually it's really nice if you try to manage yourself. Like I feel safe here in Romania actually, and also I love the nature, and and things are pretty convenient that you can find everything just on your hand in Bucharest. Like in Bucharest, it's really convenient things. Like you can just go to any of the like offices, like let's say embassies or any other like authority things, like which you can't really find out in other area. Like few things, like it's very convenient in Bucharest actually. Yeah, this is what I actually find out in living in Bucharest. So I hope people like who really, if you like to explore the world, maybe while working, I think Bucharest is a nice place to live. In Romania. So why don't you try?